Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a portable snack that you can feel good about, I would definitely check out this Larabar Orange Sorbet. It is so tasty. This is different than your typical granola bar flavor, and it is just awesome. So what I love about Larabars is, first of all, they are all delicious. They are made primarily with dates and then other whole food ingredients. So for example, this one has dates, cashews, apples, sea salt, orange extract, and vanilla extract. And that is it. Very simple ingredients that you know exactly what you're eating. And it is the perfect bite. It is sweet and it has that citrus note to it. And so it is just the thing to get you through the day when you need a little pick-me-up. And the fact that these are individually wrapped makes them perfect for taking on the go, especially if you're gonna go do a workout or something where you need that little boost of energy. So I love these Larabars. I think they're a great snack option and I would definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.